Observation is a non-surgical approach in which we allow the stone to pass on its own. The smaller the stone, the better the chance that it will pass. The benefit of observation is that you avoid having surgery. The risks of observation are that the stone could grow or move, or it could cause a blockage, which may be painful and on rare occasions could lead to kidney damage. The chance that the stone will grow or move is 70% over 4 years. If the kidney stone passes without treatment, you may have a certain amount of pain and discomfort. This can be reduced with medication. You may also have nausea, vomiting, and have blood in your urine. If you are currently symptom-free, the chance of developing symptoms is 1 in 10, or about 10% per year. If the kidney stone does not pass and symptoms develop or worsen, your doctor will recommend surgery. The surgical options for the treatment of kidney stones are shockwave lithotripsy, ureteroscopy, and percutaneous nephrolithotomy. Your doctor will discuss these options with you.
For daily hacks on the human body, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be notified on our newest videos. How to naturally repair kidney damage with these ingredients. Your kidneys are responsible for filtering out waste products, regulating blood pressure, and balancing fluids within the body. Unfortunately, these vital organs can become damaged as uncontrolled blood sugar, high blood pressure, and obesity can damage the blood vessels within the kidneys. When this occurs, your kidneys are unable to function at their optimal level, which can cause waste to build up in your blood from the food that you consume. For those who have kidney disease, a strict diet that is restrictive in sodium, potassium, proteins, and phosphorus is a must, as damaged kidneys have a hard time filtering these particular minerals out of your system. With this said, let's take a look at food ingredients you can consume that will help repair your kidneys. Make sure you are getting enough water. This is the only liquid ingredient that you need for cleansing purposes. Not only can it flush out toxins in your kidney, but it can help fight against bacterial infections, kidney stones, and remove harmful particles from your blood. Oatmeal has a ton of iron and vitamin B6 per serving, which is extremely important for preventing kidney stones and nutrient depletion. Try not to eat a crazy amount of it though, as some brands are a bit high in potassium levels as compared to other grains on the market. Kale is absolutely fantastic for fighting against inflammation because it contains both vitamin A and C. Although it is low in potassium, it does contain a high amount of iron, which is needed for healthy kidney function. For those who have kidney disease, kale can fight against your iron deficiency. Grapefruit is a fabulous source of vitamin C, which is needed to prevent bacteria development within the body. This type of fruit is lower in potassium as well as sugar, which makes them excellent for your kidneys. Mushrooms contain vitamin D, which is good for kidney health, as it helps regulate kidney function and can even help in preventing kidney disease. For those who already have kidney disease and do not like mushrooms, consider taking fortified soy milk or almond milk. Just make sure that the potassium count is not over